The government rolled the dice on easing face masking in public open spaces to hopefully facilitate the pace of economic recovery. With numbers on key viral metrics well under control, the government is looking to up the ante again and open the country up further by easing border restrictions for foreign visitors and tourist entry. Our Kenneth Paciente has the skinny in this report.
The Interagency Task Force on Infectious Diseases is now studying the possibility of easing border restrictions. This is also based on the President's directive to open up different sectors, including tourism, as a step towards the recovery of the country's economy. According to Health Officer in charge Maria Rosario Vergere, restrictions for foreign travelers have been relaxed already. In fact, if a foreigner is fully vaccinated and has a booster shot, he or she is allowed to enter the country. If there is no booster shot, an individual only needs to present a negative RT-PCR test. However, the possibility of more relaxed rules related to border control will be discussed.
Pag-uusapan ito lahat sa IATF because we need to be able to rescind kung sakasakali o amyendahan itong EO 168 for us to relax these restrictions. Lahat pinag-aaralan ngayon, even the border restrictions, pinag-aaralan na po ng mga eksperto natin. Para sa susunod natin na IATF, we will be able to discuss this also with the other sectors. But of course, the DOH is aligned with the directives of the President. But we just need to ensure that it is going to be safe for our population when we do these relaxations.
This possibility is a welcome development for the Bureau of Immigration. And if it pushes through, the agency is ready to change the rules they are enforcing.
May mga bago po tayong immigration officers na kagagraduate lamang at ready for deployment po sa ating airport. So we're ready and we're hopeful na ito po ay maging start ng muli pong pag-usbong ng turismo po sa ating bansa.
But for Dr. Ted Herbosa, easing the border control can be risky due to the possible entry of a new COVID variant. But he asserted,
kung ikaw ay vaccinated, sigurado naman tayong magkakaroon ka ng very mild symptoms kasi yan ang promise ng vaccination at tuloy tayo pagsuot ng mask. So kahit magluwag tayo ng borders at kung tayo nagsusuot pa rin ng mask sa mga enclosed spaces, hindi naman siguro magkakaroon or outbreak ng COVID sa Pilipinas.
Meanwhile, in his speech before the UN General Assembly in New York City, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. pointed out the challenges faced by the country during the pandemic, including the delay in the availability of COVID-19 vaccines. But now that the situation is gradually improving, the President emphasized the country's recovery.
Despite the challenges of the pandemic and the global economic upheavals, we remain on track to reach upper middle income status by next year. With steady investment in food, public health, education, and other social services, we expect to become a moderately prosperous country by 2040. I am confident that we will achieve this vision.
The President also emphasized the importance of the role of healthcare workers during the pandemic and the importance of unity among nations.
The Philippines did not hesitate to donate to the COVAX facility that helped provide vaccines in many parts of the developing world. Multilateralism and international cooperation do make a difference. Filipino health workers were at the front lines in many countries to curb the spread of the virus, risking and oftentimes sacrificing their own lives to save those of others.
Kenneth Paciente for the Nation.